Bebre na questions on mutabusa na se kwaku metimi the mobile money subscribe and answer minti just a bank details on kwani metimi e subscribe ChatGPT and then be changing in a video no esu emu. We say ChatGPT a mobile app and say AI tool am for using a more pa e wi asim ha. But bebre na challenge ni say omo dey adwuma e mo 3 options so metimi adequate images. Na ebi mo so pese omo upgrade bo mo hu how a omo upgrade no and then ma be cho how a metimi do smartphone upgrade ChatGPT subscription no enso edama ho a obia enju sika bia me dey go Maxo me tre AI e otwim but one is subscribe to this channel so I be post video bi say for AI ho a wonso otimanya bi na wonso wotimi ahwe and then be show 2 options I wetimi dey subscribe ChatGPT or mobile phone so yembra me ChatGPT hire me ChatGPT oba so a your get plus or hanum a very simple wetimi akoho and answer we profile picture we so no aba upgrade to plus and also e wo ho bebre na questions on mutabusa na se kwaku metimi the mobile money subscribe and answer minti just a bank details on kwani metimi e subscribe ChatGPT and then be changing in a video no esu emu. So now let's go straight to get plus to be at the safest side, you know. Yembo get plus in here there. Ubo get plus I say anet here. You have 2 options ewo. ChatGPT or ChatGPT Go and or ChatGPT Plus. E bia ewo ne board. First one Go near 70 Ghana cedis per month. And about plus in this one 270 Ghana cedis per month. E bia o features are a womb. Yehwe Go na yehwe enema ewo Go nim. Uba Go na your basic models are obi anim no. Yes. Na yesa more messages, your more uploads. Go no betimi upload betimi generate 50 images a day. Yemra almost more image creation and a longer memory. That is the goal. That is 70 Ghana cedis per month. So now yenhwe the plus and also plus more access to ChatGPT and also GPT-5. Also advanced reasoning, more messages and uploads, advanced image creation, more memory, early access to new features. Yes, the features be by ChatGPT man. Who can more be the first and say we use ChatGPT plus and agent mode with deep research. So we features now and you pay back 70, back 270. That is 200 cedis difference. Now questions have been not tell some say meeting mobile money. I subscribe to this app now. Me trust and be subscribing. No how a better and say mobile money one me and I saw mama me else aspect. So maybe I'm ready to go no. So let's click upgrade to go. Good. It's Uber upgrade to go now. See that here. You was starting today and now we have video no. So that 1 month interval no. Into first option any. Once you Visa card or into click side when so another options my main click is there. Good. No Visa card me no. Back way Visa na back way Mastercard yes. So ni me nyina na wo honom no. Ni nyina timi subscribe to apps. Ba over down hanom once almost say add payment method to your Google account. Your add debit or credit card. Make me for frasa account. Yes. And then so add Telecel cash. Vodafone for no more no. Then so add mobile money. That is MTN mobile money. So these are the 2 networks I'm for use for mobile transactions. But so try so they no subscribe here and go through. And from Omega to say network is not stable. Network can go through. Yeah. Intimate empha. So the simplest way is to use Visa card. Pitina bibia so akoyi and so edama. So now any idea we. Let me know the bank that we use. Say we use Ghana Commercial Bank GCB in the comment section. Then who say okay, who use bank we? I'll come and do another video. Make sure how better my virtual card or that talk ChatGPT AI models and so the amount because you a virtual card you use. And so so let me know the bank you are using in the comment section. So remove banks now. I'll prepare another video for you. Me did it Maxo. My light off. Bye.